Can you turn on again? Off. This is a 4-season duct cleaning. Phone number here. Okay. Yeah. This is their logo. Can you see on the street? Call them. Okay.
Thank you.
And this is from the Army. Yeah. Navy.
Marines.
Oh, Marines. Oh, guarantee. Okay. Then this is both easy to talk. Okay. Can be negotiated. Okay. This is their professional car. Hey, spend 1 minute to describe your tool. Just a name.
This is called a negative air machine. It's about $12,000. It puts your whole house into a negative air state, meaning we get better suction throughout all of your vents when we go through with a snake. Oh, this is an old compressor. We actually use a 2-stage compressor over there.
The compressor's over
here.
here.
It's over here.
Compressor.
So this is a 2-stage compressor.
Oh,
this
two-stage.
itself is about, how much would you say? How much was it?
$3,000.
It's about $3,000.
How much PSI?
175.
175 PSI.
Yep.
Okay.
And here's our hose that connects to the.
Oh, this is a hose.
Yep, this is a hose. This is this attachment is a pick to get the fine stuff. This is what we connect the snakes to go throughout your whole system.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry, that's it. Thank you. That's their duct cleaning machine in Seattle area.
Yeah, we have a referral plan. If you refer a friend, we give you a discount.
Yes, I will. I do a rental business. Okay.
Oh, rental.
Yeah, rental. Yeah. Okay.
New year, new cleaning. 4 seasons. Get your duct cleaning done. Here, bring that over here. Yeah, we can just stretch that over here.
Okay. Right now there is a tube and a connector to the machine. Machine behind it. They connect a tube, so this is called they need to cover all the outlet. After that, then suck.
Yeah, I can do that.
PDU 4000 cleaning system. 115 voltage.
Yeah. Where's your breaker?
Breaker here.
We'll have to turn your furnace off.
Level 2. Huh? Oh yeah, 那个懂. It should be inside. This outlet, they use the magnetic piece to cover it. Sorry. It should be okay right now. The outlet magnetic piece cover the register. Ceiling, they use the tape to cover it. so the suck energy will be more.
Step stool should reach it, or do we get ladder when we gotta clean?
No, step stool should reach it, yeah.
Okay.
How you do with this one?
Huh?
Yeah,
I mean, that shouldn't be covered.
yeah,
It's
this.
a fresh air return. So
Yeah, return. Yes,
it should be sucking air in.
sucking
And
here.
this is- yeah.
He wanted us to cover it because of the food smell. I
It's gonna
believe.
circulate all the air inside of your house and goes to the, yeah.
It's pretty dirty in there though. There's a lot of like debris and stuff.
Yeah.
The other thing we should probably clean it up though, right?
Yeah, no, definitely. But I wouldn't leave that covered if you guys are using the machine. Because that's the way it's getting its fresh air return. Like it's the way it's getting actual air into the system.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
For this system down here, right? 'Cause
Yeah.
After the cover, then they can run this.